Hi, in this lesson we are going to learn about maps. In the last lecture we actually saw that how we can go to the material editor. We can choose textures from here, materials, and apply those materials to our objects, like creating ceramic or glass, that kind of stuff. Today what we are going to learn is how we can apply materials to the object and then apply the texture on it. So for that, what I'm going to do is, first let's have a look on the scene. So this is the scene what I am having right now, and we have to play with the texture of this teapot. Okay, alright, so what I'll do for now, let's this rendering finished. So we'll mask this much object and every time we'll see only this one. So we don't have to worry about this for now. So I was talking about the maps. Now how we can use those maps. Let's mask this one. Okay. Keep it here. Let's select the object and apply a new texture to it, no material to it. Video material. Okay. So now when you see this, when we render this one, you see there is nothing, only a gray material applied to it. Okay, so if I apply any default material, as we saw in the last lecture, there will be nothing, no reflection, no refraction, only a plain material. Now we have to play with this. So first of all, I want to make this a wood. Now how we can make wood? So you have applied already this material, and the first thing is diffuse. As I told you that diffuse means color. If you change color, this color will get changed. Okay, but I don't want to change its color. What I want to change is the overall property with a new map. So go here, and these all are default maps inside 3ds Max. We are not going to use these because I want to make this wood. Go to the bitmap and let's go to our project folder, which is right now here in E projects, Crazy Toon, Archviz, and lecture number 26. And here I have two textures which are going to see today. So let's apply this wood and open. So now you can see here you have this texture here. By default in 2016, use real world scale is on. Keep it off to see the material here. Okay, and now I'll just click this to apply on it and show, so you can see here on the frame. See, sorry. Okay, close this for now. Okay, now this one is visible not properly here. The reason is there is no UVW map. So if you want to change this material, what you have to do is you have to go here. Sorry, not to change the material, to change the look of the material. I mean, if you want to apply this material properly on any object, you have to unwrap this object. Okay, so for that you have to apply UVW map. So what you can do is, whenever you want to apply a map on any object, the first thing you do is select the object and go to the modify and apply UVW map, and after that you go to the texture here and then apply your material. Okay, so let's take the box here, and here also this real world map is on. Make it off, and now you can see the map is applied. Okay, it's not proper as the shape of this teapot is completely, the round and everything. We have not unwrapped this. We have just applied this modifier, and we can play with these settings here. Like cylinder is fine for this, I guess. You can see. Okay, planner will be a very bad idea. Spherical you can try, it's good too because this is a spherical mode. And now let's render and check what happens. And now you can see we have a wood map properly applied on our object through our materials. Alright, but now this is not looking good. Why this is not looking good? Because we have reflections here but no reflections here. So just by applying a map, a wood map, okay, it's not going to be a wood. You have to change the properties of your material. For example, if you want to make this a shiny, material, a glossy material, then apply some reflections to it. Keep on Fresnel reflection and go to the glossiness value, put around 0.9. You can see here. Okay, it's looking nice. When you go here, you will see the change. Okay, this is looking right now laminated teapot. This is too much, I guess. I want to reduce the reflection. You go here and you reduce the reflection and you will have that kind of an effect. And if you want a matte effect, then don't reduce the reflection, keep it same like that and reduce your glossiness, for example 0.8 for now, and let's see what happens. Still there are too much, 0.6 maybe, we can see here, right? No, not good, 0.5. I guess this is okay. And now render and you will see this looks like a matte, like a wooden teapot. See the reflection now. Okay, if you want to increase more reflection, then you go here and increase a little bit more, and you can see now your wood texture is on your teapot. Let's just render finish and I'll get back. So here is the final output and you can see this map is properly applied. Now remember, the maps, the materials are completely relating to your lighting. If the lighting is not good, then the texture will not look as you want. Okay, so before that, as we always do, like first you do modeling, then you do lighting, and then you do texture. Okay, so it will look always good. Now the next is, let's say, concrete. You want to make this concrete, so go here, the same material, just change the map. Okay, you go here and you have use this one. Now choose this one, simple, and you see it is applied. So when you render, you will have a concrete map, concrete teapot. Okay, see, now it's full rendering. By mistake, actually I forgot to on this one here, but that's okay. Let this finish and I'll get back. So here you can see the render. Now the concrete is also depends, like most of the time the concrete, the reflection is same like what we have already done. Alright, it should not be laminated, but yes, it's not a real concrete, and sometimes you use concrete stickers on the wall, right? In that case it will be a little bit of glossy, so you can go here and glossiness increased around 0.8 would be fine. And now when we see this, you will see reflection on it. Okay, all right, so now you can see the reflection on it. So this is enough for today's lecture. Just open this lecture. I'm going to send you the maps and this scene, so you don't have to do the lighting and all. You can use the same settings and work on it. Okay, and try to create some more thing. Concrete and wood I have already shown. Try to create some more things and send it to me your assignment, so I'll check and let you know. Right, so see you in the next lecture. Take care, have a nice day.